Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. And today I'm going to do an unboxing video. So I'm here in my little kitchen space and I want to do unboxing of my Aroma360 machine. So you're going to unbox it with me and we're going to take a look and see what how this all works and all of that. All right, so we are going to get right into it. I'm going to put you here. And I'm going to focus on the unit itself, not on me. Okay, so let's get this positioned right. All right, so I mentioned in another video that I bought an Aroma. No, I think I mentioned this on my Instagram. I bought an Aroma360 cold air diffusion technology. Somebody I saw on social media was talking about this, and this company, they create a lot of signature designs for boutique hotels like in Miami, all those different places, and for spas. So this is a nice unit, and I was very interested in what the scents were like. So I had contacted them because I saw that they offered samples. Now, I didn't get the samples beforehand because when I requested the samples, one of their representatives contacted me, one of their sales reps, and I was talking to her and I decided that I wanted to try. They have a scent called Champagne Supernova. It is a scent that is for a spa that is in one of the hotels down in Miami. Just based on the description, I felt like that would be one that I would like. So I also received the samples when I received my unit. I kind of was hoping I had received them beforehand because I wanted to see if it was going to be worth my investment, because I can be very sensitive to fragrances. And I just kind of wanted to know. So, you know, it didn't come separately. It came with my order. Now, I got a sales price on this when I bought it, and I don't know if that sales price is still running. It was $99, but again, please do not quote me on this because I think it was just a sale, and the sale price I think was coming to an end. I don't know. When you purchase, if you decide to purchase one of these, you know, I don't know what the price is going to be. This is normally marked $199. And I am not sponsored. I am just doing an unboxing because I got this and I'm excited to get it because I have an aromatherapy machine over there by my bed, and I like it very much, but I'm really looking forward to see how this works because it's supposed to cover like all the square footage of my apartment. Now I live in a studio apartment, so it's just like over 400. It's like between 400 and 450 square feet. I don't know the exact square footage. So this should basically scent my whole place. So let's get into the unboxing now, will we? All right. So here it is again. All right. And let me just get into the box. All right. So Aroma360, it's the art of scent. And this is the instruction manual that comes with it. Not a whole lot of reading to do. Now you get your device, you get your unit, which I got the silver. Okay, so it's a pretty sturdy device here. Can you see that? I have to see if I can hold this. Let's see. This is what we got here. That's the unit. I'll put that there. This comes with a remote, which I like because you can adjust it to different intensity, it looks like on here. And some extra pieces. Here's the plug. And this is a cap. All right. That is everything that was in the box. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so let me get this on the floor. 1 second. All right. So now, I'm gonna get you all situated here. So now we've got this. There we go. Now I've got the unit and all my pieces. Let's get the plug out. I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to read it. All right, let's get the remote control. And I would show you the other fragrance samples that I got. They came in, I got about 12 different samples, and they came in like pouches. That's it. They were like the sticks that have the scent on them, and I left them in the car, so I'm not running out to get them. But they give you like 12 samples of their most popular scents. Okay. So you're going to open the Aroma360 diffuser, rotate the upper half of your device in a counterclockwise motion while firmly holding the bottom half. Okay, that's pretty simple. Come right out. So there's the bottom half. This has got a bottle on it. And let's see what's going on next. Remove the empty Aroma360 bottle from the diffuser by turning it clockwise. The equipment bottle is included in your equipment. Excuse me, the empty bottle is included in your equipment because to be used in the cleaning process of your diffuser. So do not get rid of this because this is part of your cleaning tools when you have to clean out your diffuser. Okay, now, once you have selected the Aroma360 scenting oil of your choice, carefully screw the bottle counterclockwise into the diffuser. So I only have one bottle, which is, again, the Champagne Supernova. All right. And it smells really good. And now I'm going to carefully screw this on so as I don't get it anywhere. Okay, so I'm just keeping it on the flat surface and kind of just doing it that way. And it's tight, but not too tight. Okay. Make sure the bottle is screwed in tight and parallel to the top half of the Aroma360. It seems to be, and it seems to be pretty tight. Okay, once you have screwed on the Aroma360 oil, close the unit tightly by sliding the upper half back into place and turning it clockwise. All right, so there are little lights in the front here, and I'm gonna use that. It says Aroma. Just gonna use the markings on the unit, and there's little guide. There we go. There's guides in there that it locks into place, and then you just turn it clockwise like it says. Now I'm going to connect the power. So let's get this pretty simple. Very, the scent is just, oh my goodness. I can smell it already. Wow. This Champagne Supernova has like bergamot in it, and it had like, I think it has like green tea or matcha or something. Okay, it's plugged in. It's a ooh, wow, it just started. Okay. So now it's bubbling. Position the power cord to prevent it from being tripping hazard. Okay, so now the blue LED light indicates the device is powered on. The green one indicates the scent is being diffused. And the red light flashes when any button on the remote control is pressed. Okay. So it's doing its thing. Oh my God, this smells good. Wow. Okay. So now the remote control has a little thing here so that the battery is not wasted until you pull it out. So I'm hoping. Okay, so obviously the battery works. I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to put this on 20%. Okay. So it has different buttons on here. You have your on and off at the top. Then you have aroma, density plus, density minus, which I'm not sure what that is yet. And then you have different percentages. It goes from 20 to 35 to 50, 65 to 80 to 95. Those are the blue buttons. And then here you have timer, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. Pretty straightforward on that. Okay. Okay, so then the density will increase the aroma's density by 10%, the plus sign. You compress it for a maximum of 10 times, and the same thing with the minus. It will decrease the density by 10% up to 10 times. So I'm curious as to why. All right, so what is this? Okay, the blue buttons allow you to control the scent concentration by adjusting the scent interval. Okay, so 20% is what I pushed. It will diffuse the scent for 40 seconds and pause for 160. And I think I want to leave it on that. And I think I want to lower the density. So I put it down 5, so it's at 50%. And I'm leaving it at 20%. So every 160 seconds, it will cycle on for 40. Maybe, you know what? Maybe let's do it. Okay, I'm going to change it to 35. So you cannot see, let me just get you back up here. There's nothing like visibly coming out. This is a cold vapor, a cold diffusion system. But I can smell it. I can really smell the scent coming through. It just doesn't show you any vapor. And what I do like about this, oh wait, actually maybe you can see it. You might be able to see it on the camera. I can't see it. I see it a little bit coming out while I'm looking at the camera. But that's basically it. So I'm going to put this someplace better suited for it. This is right now being set up on my kitchen table, and that's not where I want to keep it. And that's it. So if you are looking for something to make your house smell nice, this might be something to consider. Just, you know, because it gives you like a constant stream of fragrance in the house. And like I have, sorry, I want to get in better lighting. I have plugins that I don't really, you know, sometimes you become nose blind to them and you can't smell them. Like it just, they smell like they're not working. And it also takes up your outlets. So this was something that I wanted to try. So again, it's not a cheap investment, but it's a nice heavy duty machine. And obviously it's going to last you a long time. Now the scents, the fragrances were like $45, but the bottle is this big. Okay. And if you keep it like if you keep it on one of those lower settings, obviously it's going to last you a longer time. So I don't think $45 is bad. I mean, it smells like I'm in a spa. It really smells beautiful. And I would show you the rest of my house. My whole reason for buying this is to give me a more upscale, more luxurious kind of feeling when I come home. My apartment is decorated that way. I've completely refurnished my apartment in the last couple of months. And it's so that I create this experience when I come into my house of luxury and beauty and really aesthetically pleasing. And so this was just another piece of that puzzle. So, you know, because if you want to like bump up onto like the next tier, you have to sometimes create it. You have to live as if you're living that experience that you want. And that's what I'm trying to achieve here. You know, I've really upgraded a lot of my everything in my apartment, and even like my appliances, my cookware, Everything got a serious upgrade and a serious bump up. And that's what this is designed to also contribute to, that whole experience of, I'm walking into this beautiful like boutique hotel or this boutique hotel room. I mean, that's what my apartment kind of looks like. And really getting a luxurious experience. So if you like this, you may want to check it out. Again, it's Aroma360. Again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me sharing one of my life experiences and one of these things that I'm very happy to have received, to have purchased. Anyway, thank you so very much. I hope you liked the video. Again, like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. And stay tuned for the next update. All right. Bye.